Can implantation bleeding signify pregnancy?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into a topic that is essential for those trying to conceive or just curious about the early signs of pregnancy: implantation bleeding. It's a term you might have come across before, but what does it really signify? Can it be an indicator of pregnancy? Let's find out.
What is implantation bleeding?
Implantation bleeding is a form of light spotting or bleeding that some women might experience during the very early stages of pregnancy. It usually occurs around 6 to 12 days after conception, when the fertilized egg implants itself into the lining of the uterus. The bleeding is typically lighter, shorter, and varies in color compared to a regular period.
How can implantation bleeding indicate pregnancy?
The occurrence of implantation bleeding can potentially signify pregnancy. This is because it happens as a result of the fertilized egg attaching to the uterine wall, which is the initial step in the formation of the placenta and growth of the fetus. However, it's important to note that not all women experience implantation bleeding. It varies from person to person and pregnancy to pregnancy. Some may experience it, while others may not notice any spotting at all. Additionally, implantation bleeding can be similar to a light period or other types of vaginal bleeding, making it hard to identify without other pregnancy symptoms.
What are other early signs of pregnancy?
While implantation bleeding can be a sign, it is usually accompanied by other symptoms of early pregnancy. These may include tender breasts, fatigue, mild cramps, mood swings, a heightened sense of smell, and frequent urination. However, the most definitive way to know whether you are pregnant or not is to take a pregnancy test. If you suspect you are pregnant, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare provider to confirm. So, yes, implantation bleeding can signify pregnancy, but it's not a surefire sign on its own. It's best combined with other early symptoms of pregnancy and, of course, a pregnancy test for confirmation. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and not all women will experience the same symptoms or signs. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. We hope this video has been informative and answers your questions about implantation bleeding and pregnancy. Stay tuned for more health-related topics.